Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do like a dark blue smoky eye with my Dare to Create palette today. I'm going to be doing my base first, which I don't know if that's a smart idea, but that's just what I'm used to doing, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll jump into that palette and try to do what I'm thinking in my head, and hopefully it comes out alright. Before I get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and comment, give me any sort of suggestions if you guys have anything that you want to see me do, or just have any questions, anything. So I'll get started. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation in the color Porcelain, which is not that porcelain. It's kind of dark, but I make it work. And I'm going to be going in with my Real Technique sponge to apply that. I mentioned in my last video that like while I'm editing and sometimes while I'm filming, if I'm looking like at myself instead of at the camera, I notice that the lighting like dims and then gets really bright all of a sudden and stuff. So I'm trying today to like have my other light on in the room, because before I just had my lights that are like on the mirror behind my phone that I'm filming with, and then these little sparkly lights behind me, and then the rest of the room was dark. But I turned on my light here that's kind of next to me to light up the room and see if maybe that helps with the light kind of going in and out all the time. Or the camera making it look like that. Because that was frustrating. I was bad and I was picking my face down here yesterday or the day before yesterday, and now as a result I have more pimples, so serves me right. For concealer, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the color Fair. I bought this LA Girl Pro Concealer in white, and I haven't tried it yet. And since I'm doing like a blue smoky eye, I want to try to make my under eye bags like look as nice as possible without giving more kind of blue undertones. So I think I'm going to try to use a little bit more of my concealer, my regular concealer, and mix in a little bit of this and see how that goes. Hopefully it goes alright. I don't even know how to use this. Do I squeeze it? I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm squeezing it pretty good. Oh, I see it starting to come out. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit more of my regular concealer first, and then I'm going to put a little bit of that on top. Alright. That took off a lot of my concealer. I don't know if I'm doing this right. The bristles were really plasticky and hard. I wasn't expecting that. Definitely brightened. I don't know how great it looks. Looks okay. I'm going to actually put a little bit on my eyelids too. I like just opened it and just used it, and like that's how much is in there. So it's cheaper though, so like, you know, you get what you pay for or whatever. Not bad. It kind of gave me a lot of texture on my eyelids, though. You can't tell on the phone camera. Worth a shot. I guess I should have said that this would be like a first impressions then. I was just talking to my husband about this earlier today too, because he was saying like, oh, you should do reviews and stuff like that, since like I was thinking, you know, how many different styles of makeup can I do without it to like start getting repetitive? And I was thinking like, oh, I can do first impressions, but like I never have anything new. But when my friend gives me stuff, then I'll have new things. I don't know. I'm still like learning all this stuff, so I feel like things aren't interesting enough, or like it isn't, you know, full face first impression, or, you know, whatever. So I guess this is a first impression on this concealer, which I'm not sure how I feel about it. I don't know if it's the concealer's mixing, but like my eyelids, they look really like scaly and weird right now. I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fair, and I'm going to set around my eyes and my T-zone. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder and my Real Techniques powder brush. For contour today, I'm going to be going in with my NYX blush in Taupe, and I'm going to be using my Essence of Beauty dual-ended blush and powder brush, this dark side. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with my Revolution Beauty Iconic Lights and Contour Pro palette. And I'm going to just be kind of mixing all these colors together and using that as bronzer. I'm going to be taking my Bare Essentials Flawless Face brush to do that with. For blush today, I'm going to be going in with my Bobbi Brown blush in the color Nude Peach. And I'm going to be taking it on that dual-ended Essence of Beauty sponge brush. And I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. Wow, I just hit it and like, I don't know if you can see, but a ton of powder just came out. It's really pretty though. Next, for eyebrows today, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. And I'm going to be going in with my blank, I don't know, comb eyebrow eyeliner brush. I think it's from Essence of Beauty because they look similar. This pomade really gives you a bold brow. Big ass brows. For brow gel, I'm going to be going with my Maybelline Brow Drama in the color Transparent. Okay, now like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be using my Dare to Create palette by Morphe. And to start with, I'm going to be going in to transitional, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to put that on the crease. I'm really trying to blend it up and out. For my next shade, I'm going to be going in with the color Indigo, which is like a really, really dark blue indigo color. And I'm going to be taking my Bare Essentials Smoky V brush this side. Not this side is like a lost cause that I never really used anyway. But I'm going to be taking that and I'm going to pack it on the outside and inside corners of my eye. And pray that there's no fallout, or barely any. So I put that on the outside and inside corner of my eye, and now I'm just trying to really lightly connect them at the top. And to blend that in, I'm going to be going with my Real Techniques 305 brush. I think I'm going to go back in with that indigo color and pack a little bit more on my inside and outside corners. Yeah. I'm going to blend it again just a little bit more with the same Real Techniques 305 brush. Alright, now to do the same thing on the other eye and hope it comes out the same. For the center of the lid, I'm going to be going in with the color Color, and I'm going to pack that on with my finger. Because this is kind of like a darker color, I'm going to go in with Tailor. Yes, Tailor. And I'm going to kind of highlight the very center. Not yet, but that's what I'm going to do in the future. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Tailor and I'm going to go down the very center to kind of highlight the rounded look. There we go. So, like, I didn't get any fallout, basically. Like, the tiniest bit. Also, I realized I haven't put on highlighter yet, but I'll do that at the end, I guess. Just brush this minuscule amount of fallout with my Real Techniques Duo Fiber face brush. And then for the bottom, I'm going to be going in with transitional and then the indigo color on the outside. I'm basically just going to match exactly what I did on the top to the bottom with the same brushes, basically. With my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to be going into transitional and just smoking out my bottom lash line. Very smoky. And then with that same Bare Essentials brush, I'm going to be... You know what? No. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D smudge brush. It doesn't say that's what it's called, but it's like a little smudge brush. And I'm going to be going in with indigo, and I'm going to place that on my outer and inner corners. And then I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe M541 brush. Do the same on the other eye. And then in the center, I'm just going to go in with Tailor. And I'm going to be taking it on my Sephora small shader brush. For my face and eye highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution collaboration with Soph Does Nails palette. And I'm going to be taking this purple shade mixed with this white shade. No, I lied. I'm going to be going in with this white shade mixed with this shade. For the highlight on my face, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M510 brush. And then for my eye highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Real Techniques accent brush to do that with. I'm going to be going in with my bareMinerals Lasting Line eyeliner in the color Nonstop Navy, and I'm going to take that into my waterline. And for mascara, I'm going to be going in with none other than my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And for my lips, I'm going to be going in with Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in the color Deceased. I wasn't expecting it to be that purple, but I mean, it's alright. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it and had fun watching it. It turned out pretty good for the most part. I think I would have gone with a bit of a warmer tone or just like totally gray lip. But it looks good. I'm happy with it. Alright, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.